lugar yan. Kumbaga parang probinsya, lahat kayo nandun. Parang Farmville lang yan. Alam niyo kung bakit? O, pag may baboy, may manok. Farmville lang yan. At least nagkakaisa tayo. Okay, ito ha. Ano? Oh, ang dami mo nitigyan. It's a tie. Ay, so picture tayo, picture. 1, 2.
Kristen!
Please,
Go, Kristen! Super base! Super base! Super base! Super base!
Hindi mo nga-train yung ano, Footprints in the Sun. Oh, sige.
Super base!
Magandang gabi.
Kaya mo yan! Go, girl!
1, 2, 3,
Christian Alex!
Okay, 1, 2, 3. This one's for the boys. Got signs on the back like a safe and now. He might got a nail. But it's like I got a right kind of bell. He cold, he know, he rocks out cold. He wants it out. Like a cheap, fucking jerk on the ship. I can make a jerk kiss me on a lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, he gets a lot. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, so try and I love it. You tell you like living with a car. Somebody please tell me who the FIS. I am Christian C. I'm back to Jews on. Back Jews on. Boy, Jews on. Let's go to the bitch.
Maraming salamat. Noel Trinidad and Chuba Senero. Grabe. Popstars kay Gerald Natix ka, kay Popstars ka. Thank you. Okay. Ay, sandali. Huwag kayong magbebeso, mag-spark.